This is the Iron Trader. It is Sunday night. Now the futures open here at 6 o'clock. That was about 2 minutes ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil here. Daily chart, natural gas, daily chart. We'll take a look here at crude there first and see what's going on. Well, we can see here now how nice this is. Your 8-day now is sitting at 79.75. We have your 50-day at 79. What do we have here? 79.59, and we have your 200-day sitting at 79.61, and then we have your 100-day sitting at 79.65. So this is all right there. But now you notice that the 8-day now is above all the other simple moving averages. Very, very nice, and above that 21. Okay, so what we want to watch here is we want to watch Friday's high, low, and close. So we had a high of 81.79. You had that low of 80.35, and we closed at 80.59. Now, you're sitting at 80.66. So what we want to do, let's just take a look at the upside here first. So what you want to do is come over to the top of this candle here. That's 80.62. Okay, so you're right above that. Okay, the next candle here is going to be right there. It's going to be 85. This is going to be your next resistance, 81.52. And then we had Friday's high, 81.79. That is going to be your next resistance level. Now, again, if we can get above all of that here, what we're looking for is right at the bottom of that candle here, looking at 81.99. Well, we came close here on Friday at 81.79, just a little bit short. Okay, so we're looking for 81.99 next. Next support, our resistance, I should say, is 82.40. And then we have your resistance, 83.30. And then we have 83.91. And then we're looking for the top there, 84.46. That's going to be your big boy. For simple reason is, there's your price channel. Bring that price channel right across. That's your target. Bring this price channel right across. That is your target right there at that 85.64. And let me just take her down a little bit here. Then we take your third target, you bring that right over here, and this is what we have is your 86.81. This is what we're looking for. The main target is going to be 87.67, but as you can see, that's way the hell up there. So we go one level at a time until we get there, or we might not get there. We have to see how this is all going to shake out. Okay, so let's look at the downside. So what we're looking for support is here. This is what we're looking for, 79.75. So even if this sells down to 79.75, this is still very, very good to take a long and take it right back on up here. It'd be nice if we can hold Friday's low. That's always very, very key level. Okay, so far today's low, you had 80.39 here. So what you want to do is watch the bottom of this candle. This is that 80.30. Okay, so that was Thursday's low. But then again, we start running into the key support levels. That 79.75 is key. That 59 to 50 day, your 100 SMA here, 79.61 and 79.68. This is all just jammed up right there. So as long as it holds that jam, we're doing really good. Now I look at this 21 day. See this 21 day? See how it's starting to curl up here? Very, very nice. Plus, we have seasonality in our favor here. We got summer driving going on here. And remember, right around the corner here in August, that is a very unstable month. There's a lot of storms coming in. Then you have hurricane season going into September here. So any kind of a pullback is a buying opportunity here. That's how you have to look at it, okay? So, again, just watch this key level here. This is that 80.30, and then we'll watch that level 79.75. Upside, this is what we want to watch. We want to make sure that we're above and closely above that 80.62 so far right now. Follow these candles all the way up here until we get the Friday's high at that 81.79. Above that, well, we know where we're going. All your resistance levels are sitting right over here. RSI looking very good. You're only sitting at 58 here, going sideways action. You can blast it up much higher. This here, green goes above your red. That's the buying opportunity. That happened right on here. So we're looking good. So as long as this 8-day can hold, we're looking very, very good. When that price gets above the 8-day, looking good. See what here? This is on natural gas. Look what happened when that price got above that 8-day. Very, very nice. Look what's happening when the price goes below the 8-day. Not so nice, unless you're short, okay? Very, very different trade. Okay, speaking of that, let's take a look here at natural gas. Okay, here we have. Okay, we got old natty gas here, okay? So what we had here is we had a nice series of higher highs, higher lows, and then we had that indecision candle. Okay, when you see this, this is not good. Now, if you want to know a little bit more about candlesticks, just go on my playlist. I have a series there on candlesticks and on chart patterns. Just a quick review. A lot of times you can say, geez, what you want to do is look for patterns inside of the charts, okay? This example here, okay? See this left shoulder, head, right shoulder, now she's moving up here, okay? See, that's a pattern within the chart. That's what you always want to look for. Now, you can see this 8-day is rolling over here. Now, it has not yet crossed that 21-day, so it could be like this here and then roll back up. So just don't have no opinion. Let's just see how that all shakes out. Once that crosses that 21-day, that's very, very bearish, and then you're going to come right down here to that 2.47 level. Let's look at the downside here first, okay? So now you can see here where we actually made a low, another low, and then today, again, a lower low here, and you're sitting now, that low today was sitting at 2.635. Well, your next level here is going to be right here. This is 2.60, okay? That's your next support level. Right here, 2.57, that's your next level here, okay? Then we have 2.56. This is what you're looking for, basically 2.52, and then we come over to your 2.47, which is your 200 SMA here. If that's lost, you got the 50 underneath. However, this could be a really good buying opportunity if it comes down and holds it, just like what we had here, okay? See, look how nice you had that big rally right on up here, nice, and then look how nice it held that 200-day, and then what do we have? Low, higher low, and then bam, all the way on up here. So this is how you do it. I'm looking for on the upside. This is what you're doing if you're looking at here on the downside and to short the market. Okay, so for me, everything is just a two-way trade. Don't give a rat's ass if it goes high, if it goes low. All I'm looking for is how do I make money. UNG, great way to make it up on a long. KOLD, great way to make it on the short. Okay, so we got to see how this is all going to shake out. But you can see here the bearish cross. See that? And then this is what you get. Bullish cross. This is what you get. Okay, so two good examples right there. So now we have to see exactly what happens when if the 8-day is going to cross over. You can see how it did on the upside. It crossed over that 21-day, and then look at that. And then look at the nice spread that you had in between there, and it just took that price rocket higher. Okay, so again, watch today's low. That's at 2.63, 2.60, 2.57, 2.56. 2.52, and then 2.47 is your big target. Okay, now upside. So far today we had a high of 2.68. So we come right down to the bottom of this candle and looking for 2.72, and then we're looking here right there at that 21-day, 2.77. Right above that is we have right there at 2.83 your 8 SMA. That's going to be very, very strong resistance, that 21-day and the 8-day. Now again, somehow this could rocket right on up here, say you get some kind of a news. Well, then what we do is we look right there on top of this candle, 2.85, there's your gap, 2.87, that's your fill. Even though it's filled, okay, that's now becomes resistant levels if you can get over that 8-day. Then we'll come here, 2.91, and then we have the top of that candle, basically 2.95. Above that, just follow it. You got 3, okay, on top of here, you got 3.09, 3.13, and right there, 3.159. Very, very simple. However, all that doesn't mean anything unless you get above that 21-day and that 8-day. But now we still have that series of lower lows and lower highs here so far, just like we had here. That's never good. So just watch these candles, and then their key level here is going to be all the way down here to that 2.47 level. Bearish cross, boom. Negative divergence went on right there. I pointed that out. See how we had this high? We had a higher high, but you had a lower high. RSI is perfect for finding that kind of stuff. Always look for anything that can get you an advantage. Okay, it did play out. Now, it tried to resume a little bit here, but you went right into the 8-day. It stopped it. Now, again, when you get below that 8-day, you fight that bad boy the whole way. Okay, we'll have to see what goes on here tomorrow morning here. I'll have another video for you before 8 o'clock, and we're going to review crude oil here and natural gas, and we're going to see how much money we can make on Monday. Okay, thanks for watching.